Hi, boys and girls. I hope you listened to our story, Snowballs, first. Now we're going to do a craft just like the pictures in the story. You only need to find some things around the house, and then you can make your own snowman. Let's do it together.
Okay, first thing you need is paper, some scissors, a pencil, and something to trace to make your snowballs. If you want to do it freehand, that's fine too. I like to trace a circle and then I can cut it out. I have 2 pieces of paper here. You could use 1, 2, or 3. Now we're going to cut out our snowballs. You can have your adult help you with this, or maybe you would like to use your scissors and do some practicing and cut out some snowballs by yourself. They don't have to be perfect, any shape will do. Now I have made 2 round snowballs. 1, 2. I think I'm going to make the head a little bit smaller though. I'll just cut that down a little bit here. You might want to have 3 snowballs. Sometimes a snowman has 3. There we go. Now let's get some things to decorate with. Look around your house and see what you can find. I'll give you some examples here, and there were lots of examples in the story we read. First, I'm going to put a little heart on my snowman. I found that. It's a little sticker. Now I have a big bowl of buttons here. I don't know if you have one of these in your house, but I'm going to use buttons for the front of my snowman. 1, 2, 3. 3 buttons. Now, for the hat, I have this little muffin cup. I'm going to cut it in half for the hat. Perfect. Now what do we need? Some arms. There's 2 pencils for my arms. Now our snowman still needs a face. Some earrings for my snowman. And 2 eyes. What could we use for a nose? How about another button? Now we still need a mouth, so I'm going to use a little bit of yarn and make a happy smile. There we go. Ta-da! My first snowman is done. Let's make another one. This snowman is going to have a sock hat. I'll just use that and make a little hat for him. Now we need some googly eyes. I found a packet of googly eyes at my house, so he's going to have some big googly ones today. These are my crochet hooks that I'm going to use for arms. And for buttons, I found 3 chocolate candies. Yum, yum. Now this is kind of a straw that I found. I'm going to cut it up and give him some hair. We'll just poke a little bit in there. A little bit in there. Some more down this side. Look. It looks like scarecrow hair. Now I have a tissue. I'm going to just roll it up, give it a little scrunch here, and that will be his scarf. It's not a very colorful scarf, but it will do. Next, a macaroni mouth. Oh, he's looking pretty silly, isn't he? We still need a nose, though. And there's a little rock for the nose. So our second snowman is done. How did you do? Can you find some things around the house and make a snowman? I'm sure you can. Enjoy our craft today, boys and girls, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.